Sometimes it's going to feel like it's you against the world. This is one of the natures of this business. Other times you might feel like nothing's going to work at all in your favor. You'll receive a lot of thank you but no thank yous. And yeah, I do mean rejection. You're going to feel this especially in the beginning. Remember when I said it takes time to build a business? Well, it really does take time. My best advice to you is to believe in yourself. Allow every success that you have build your confidence, whether it's a small success or a huge success. But don't get overconfident. If you love what you're doing, in this case photography, then you'll be able to endure both the good times and the bad times. As a photographer, you'll be a special breed, and what's more is you'll be the envy of a lot of other people. Keep on going and believe in your ability. If you have questions along the way in your career, remember that you have lifetime access to this course. You can come back to me at any time that I'm breathing, and I'll be happy to help in any way that I can. I want to help you succeed, and I want to see you succeed, and I want to hear your success stories.